Hello, Sophia. This is a 36-inch mat. As you can see there, this one is 36-inch mat, and we made it into double, which makes the length 72. Now we want a stitching machine or a sewing machine that can join the two together. As you can see now, we have aligned the two together. We need a sewing machine that can stitch them from the center here. That can stitch them from the center, join them all the way through to that point, and it should be leveled. You know, it should be even as it is like this. When the stitching is through, it should be as level as this. So we will want you to provide us a suitable machine, a stitching machine that can join the two mats together to make it 72-inch width or 108. That is three 36-inch mat together, as we like. But right now we need just a stitching machine that can stitch the two mats together. You can see just like this as it is here. After cutting and finishing, we want to join the two mats together. So please get us a suitable machine that can do this job. Thank you very much. Wish to hear from you soon. Bye.